Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain 17th question of exercise 4.4. This is the last question in this chapter. See here, 17th question is given that using information given in the figure, calculate the value of x and y. Okay, we need to calculate the values of x and y. Here it is x is given, here it is y is given. Okay, from this given figure, here two triangles are given, APC and DEC. Okay, from these two triangles, how we can find the x and y values? Let us see here. See, from the given figure, I took angle ACB. Okay, this big triangle, angle ACB. Okay, in this triangle ACB, I am using the property angle sum property. What is angle sum property? The sum of three angles in a triangle 180 degrees. Yes, see here. What are the three angles here in this triangle? This is 34, 62, and this angle we don't know. Yes, angle ACB. Here only we should take this angle ACB. Okay, now that only I took here 34 plus 62 plus angle ACB. This is unknown angle, right? That's what I took. ACB is equals to 180 degrees. Now reason also I wrote here, angle sum property means that sum of three angles in a triangle 180 degrees. Now from this we need to find out angle ACB. Okay, for that we need to add these two values 34 and 62. You will get 96, right? 96. Then here this angle ACB as it is write down, angle that 180 degrees as it is write down. This 96 transpose of 9 plus 96 will give minus 96. Okay, while calculating transposing rules are very important. Transpose of addition is subtraction, transpose of subtraction is addition, transpose of multiplication is division, transpose of division is multiplication. These are terms for important, everyone remember. Okay, so minus 96 is equals to 84. If you do the subtraction, you will get 84. Therefore, we can say here angle ACB is equals to 84 degrees. Okay, after this, now you should use one more condition here. See, this is angle ACB. See here, this is angle ACB. Okay, now once see here angle x degrees, angle ACB. These two angles are linear pair angle. Why? Because these two angles are having common vertex and common arm. AC is the arm for these two angles, and point C, this is a vertex of the two angles. Common vertex and common arm for these two angles. So we can say that these two angles are linear pair angles, right? So sum of these two angles should be 180 degrees. Okay, adjacent, and sum should be 180 degrees. So we can call linear pair angles. These two are adjacent and sum should be 180 degrees. Okay, so linear pair angles. X plus angle ACB is equals to 180. Now x plus angle ACB already you know, that is 84 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So x is equals to 180 transpose of minus 84. Transpose of plus 84 is minus 84. Now you can do the subtraction. 180 degrees, 84, you can do the subtraction. Take the borrow from this. So 10 minus 4, 6. Here it is 17 minus 8. It will becomes 9. Okay. So 96 degrees. X value is 96 degrees. Similar way, y value how we can find? See relation between x and this 24. Okay, sum should be 180 degrees. Sum should be 180 degrees. Okay, so y is equal to 24 plus x. See, these two angles, this is a triangle DEC. In this triangle, these two are interior angles, this is a exterior angle. Okay, y is equal to 24 plus x we should take. Why? Because sum of two interior angles is equal to exterior angle. Okay, so y is equal to 24x, 24 plus 96. Why? Because x is 96, so y is equal to 120 degrees. If you add these two, you will get y 120. Y is exterior angle, I mentioned that also reason. So we got x is equal to 96, y is equal to 120. Okay, in this way we can find the x and y values. Okay, thank you.